Hello everyone, welcome to Tungala online classes. Let's continue our discussion on differentiation. In that, next concept, derivatives of implicit functions. Derivatives of implicit function. What do you mean by implicit function? Any function of the form f of x comma y is equal to 0. Any function of the form f of x comma y equal to 0 is called implicit function. For example, x plus y square plus xy plus 8 equal to 0. Clearly it is implicit function. Any function of the form f of x comma y equal to 0 is known as implicit function, right? Otherwise, f of x comma y is equal to some constant. One more example, sin square xy plus cos x plus 8 or plus 100 equal to 0. F of x comma y equal to 0 or f of x comma y is equal to some constant c. This type of functions are called implicit functions. Means expression involve both x and y. Expression involve both x and y. F of x comma y is equal to some constant or f of x comma y equal to 0. Such type of functions are called implicit functions. Now, differentiation of implicit functions. Implicit means that expression involve both x and y, right? Next problems. 2x plus 3y is equal to 50. If find dy by dx. 2x plus 3y is equal to 50. Find dy by dx. Once implicit function is given, directly differentiate with respect to x. Don't take it as y. Already y is given in the expression only. Already y is given. So don't take it as y. If purely x expression is given, then only take it as y. In this case, already y is involved in the given expression. No need to take it as y. This is our given expression. 2x plus 3y is equal to 50. Once implicit functions or once implicit function is given, then directly differentiate. Don't take it as y. Already y is involved. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x differentiation 2 only. 2 as it is, x differentiation 1. No need to write it. Directly write 2 only. Plus 3 as it is, differentiation of y is y dash. Means dy by dx. That's equal to, in RHS we have a constant. Its derivative 0. But our requirement is dy by dx. So y dash equal to minus 2 divided by 3. This is our required derivative and it is one implicit function. Next problem. If x minus y is equal to pi, find dy by dx. Clearly it is implicit function. X minus y is equal to pi. Differentiate with respect to x. This expression involves both x and y, so directly differentiate. X differentiation 1 by using x raised to n formula minus differentiation of y, derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx or its notation is y dash. In RHS we have pi, its derivative is 0 because it is a constant. then dy by dx equal to 1. This is our required differentiation. Directly differentiate with respect to x and simplify. At the end you get dy by dx, right? Next problem. If 3x minus 8y plus 4xy plus 8 equal to 0, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. It is one of the implicit function. Directly differentiate. Why? Because in the given expression both x and y are involved. Directly differentiate with respect to x. This is our given expression. 4xy plus 8 equal to 0. It is our given expression. Directly differentiate with respect to x. What is differentiation of first term? Differentiation of 3x is 3 only. Derivative of 3x is 3. Minus 8 as it is. Constant into function. Constant as it is, derivative of function. Y differentiation y dash or dy by dx. Plus, look at the third term. In the third term one constant term is there. Keep it as it is. Constant term as it is, differentiation of x into y. X is one function, y is another function. Apply product rule. According to product rule, first function remains as it is, differentiation of second function, that is y dash, plus second function as it is, differentiation of first function. Differentiation of x is 1 only, plus, keep this plus as it is, derivative of 8 is 0 because it is a constant. Constant derivative always 0. X is one function, y is another function, use product rule. Using product rule, according to product rule, first function as it is, derivative of second function, plus second function as it is, derivative of first function. Right? After this usual simplification, collect dy by dx terms one side and remaining terms other side. I will write one more step. 3 minus 8y dash, usual multiplication, 4x into y dash plus 4y equal to 0. These two terms send it to RHS. Non dy by dx terms one side, dy by dx terms one side. Among these two terms take dy by dx common. Means y dash is nothing but dy by dx only. Y dash remains with minus 8 plus 4x. Remaining these two terms send it to RHS, then it will be minus 3 minus 4y. Lastly we get y dash equal to minus 3 minus 4y, whole thing divided by 4x minus 8. This is our required dy by dx. Directly differentiate with respect to x. After that collect dy by dx terms one side, non dy by dx terms other side. At the end you get dy by dx. Next problem. If x square plus y square plus 3xy plus 9 equal to 0, find dy by dx. Right? This is our required given function. We need to find dy by dx. Right? X square plus y square plus 3xy plus 9 equal to 0. This is our given function. Our requirement is dy by dx, right? Once given function is implicit function, then directly differentiate with respect to x. Already both x and y are involved, so directly differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate each and every one term, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, right? First term differentiation 2x only. Why? Because x square is there. By using x raised to n formula, it is 2x plus y square is there. What is y square differentiation? Use chain rule. First power differentiation 2y. It is just like x raised to n by using chain rule. Power differentiation, then into inner function is y differentiation y dash. Here also same thing only. Power differentiation 2x, after that inner function is x, its derivative is 1. Here also power differentiation, then y differentiation 2y into y dash. Plus, now third term differentiation, write this constant term remains as it is. X into y means again product is given. Use product rule. According to product rule, first function remains as it is. Differentiation of second function means derivative of second function, y differentiation y dash plus y remains as it is, means second function as it is, differentiation of first function. First function is x, its differentiation 1 plus 9 is given, its derivative always 0 equal to 0 differentiation 0 only, right? Now again same procedure only, collect dy by dx terms one side, non dy by dx terms other side. Right, one more step. 2x plus 2y into y dash plus 3x into y dash plus 3y equal to 0. These two terms send it to RHS. Non dy by dx terms send it to RHS. From these two terms take dy by dx common. Dy by dx is nothing but y dash only. Y dash is same as dy by dx is same as f dash x or y1. So 2y plus 3x, among these two terms just take y dash common and these two terms send it to RHS, then minus 2x minus 3y. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus 2x minus 3y, whole thing divided by 2y plus 3x. This is our required dy by dx, right? Once implicit function is given, directly differentiate with respect to x. In the first step, differentiate with respect to x. After that, collect dy by dx one side, non dy by dx terms other side, right? Next problem. If x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square is equal to 81, find dy by dx. This is one of the important 3-mark question. X cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square equal to 81, find dy by dx. It is important 3-mark question. Here also same procedure. First differentiate with respect to x, collect dy by dx terms one side, non dy by dx terms other side and simplify, right? Differentiate x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square equal to 81. Differentiate with respect to x. Same procedure only. First term differentiation, second term differentiation, third term, fourth term, right? X raised to n formula, x cube differentiation 3x square by using x raised to n formula, plus while differentiating y cube, use chain rule. First power differentiation it will be 3y square into dy by dx. Next look at third term, plus and keep that 3 remains as it is because it is a constant. Combination of constant and function, constant as it is, differentiation of the function. Again x square into y is given, means product is given. So use product rule, x square into y dash. According to product rule, first function as it is, differentiation of second function plus second function as it is, derivative of first function. First function x square, its derivative 2x, close the bracket, plus. Look at the fourth term. While differentiating fourth term, again use product rule because product of two functions is given. One constant is given and product of two functions is given. 3 remains as it is. Again use product rule, first function, second function. First function as it is, differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx, plus y square as it is, differentiation of x is 1, no need to write, that's equal to, in RHS we have a constant, its derivative is 0. Now 3x square plus 3y square into y dash plus usual multiplication, 3x square into y dash plus 6xy, 3 into 2xy is 6xy plus 6xy dash, 6xy into y dash, 3 into this term plus 3y square equal to 0. Now keep these 3 terms one side, dy by dx terms one side, non dy by dx terms other side. Write 3y square plus write y dash as it is, plus 3x square y dash plus 6xy into y dash. Remaining term send it to RHS. This is non dy by dx term, send it to RHS, means minus 3x square. Next this is minus 6xy, send it to RHS, plus 6xy, then it becomes minus 6xy. Here plus 3y square is there, minus 3y square. Now among these 3 terms dy by dx common, then remains with 3y square plus 3x square plus 6xy equal to, you can take negative sign common, minus of 3x square plus 6xy plus 3y square. Now dy by dx equal to minus of 3x square plus 6xy plus 3y square, whole thing divided by this expression, that is 3y square plus 3x square plus 6xy. Right? In the numerator and denominator we have same expression. Here 3x square is there, here also 3x square, 3y square plus 6xy get cancelled. Our dy by dx is minus 1. Right? Next problem. X square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. Find dy by dx. Pause the video and solve this problem. Okay, verify your answer. Directly I will write dy by dx. Y dash is minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. Got it? Lastly, dy by dx is minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. This is your final answer. I will give solution. For this also same procedure only. This is our expression, x square plus xy plus y square equal to 100, or they may give any constant. like 2022 or 2021, differentiate with respect to x. Same procedure only, 2x first term differentiation, while differentiating second term, very important, right? Here use product rule, because x is one function, y is another function, means combination of two functions. Product of two functions means use product rule. Already you know how to differentiate product of two functions, right? First function as it is, differentiation of second function, plus second function as it is, differentiation of first function. After that, third term differentiation, y square differentiation, 2y into dy by dx. Don't forget to write y dash. Don't write y square differentiation 2y only, because it is with respect to x, not with respect to y. If it is with respect to y, then it is 2y only. Here we are differentiating with respect to variable x, so 2y into dy by dx. Then keep these two terms in left side, xy dash plus 2y into y dash. Remaining two terms send it to RHS, negative sign common, 2x plus y. Otherwise you can write minus 2x minus y. Then y dash common, x plus 2y. That's equal to minus 2x plus y. So dy by dx equal to minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. Right? This is our final answer. Next problem. xy plus y square equal to tan x plus y. Find dy by dx. Right? For this also again same procedure. Differentiate with respect to x. First term differentiation. While differentiating first term, use product rule. Why? Because x into y is given, right? X into y means product of two functions. Use product rule. According to product rule, first function as it is, differentiation of second function, plus second function as it is, differentiation of first function. xy differentiation by using product rule, plus y square differentiation 2y into y dash, power differentiation y dash. That's equal to tan x differentiation secant square x plus y differentiation y dash. Now dy by dx terms one side and non dy by dx terms other side. Send this term into RHS and take this term into LHS. xy dash plus 2y into y dash. Take this y dash into left hand side, then it becomes y dash is equal to secant square x minus y. Among these three terms, take y dash common. Y dash into x plus 2y minus 1 equal to secant square x minus y. Lastly we get dy by dx equal to secant square x minus y whole thing divided by x plus 2y minus 1. This is our required dy by dx, right? Next problem. Next problem. If x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equal to 81, find dy by dx. It is very important 3-mark question, right? x cube plus y square plus x cube plus x square y plus x into y square plus y cube equal to 81. Find dy by dx. X cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equal to 81. Directly differentiate with respect to x. Directly differentiate with respect to x. Right? 3x square, x cube differentiation 3x square. While differentiating second term, use product rule, that is x square into y dash plus 2x into y. Y as it is differentiation of x square 2x. Use product rule. X square as it is differentiation of y is y dash plus y as it is differentiation of x square is 2x plus. While differentiating third term, again use product rule. Product rule, first function as it is differentiation of second function. While differentiating x into y square, use product rule, first function as it is y square differentiation 2y into y dash plus y square as it is differentiation of x is 1 plus y cube differentiation 3y square into y dash equal to 0. Again same procedure only. Collect dy by dx terms one side, non dy by dx terms other side. Then it will be x square y dash plus 2xy into y dash and plus 3y square into y dash, and these three terms send it to RHS. Send this term RHS, this term into RHS and this term into RHS. All are negative, so take negative sign common. Otherwise minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square. Right? Now among these three terms take y dash common, means dy by dx common. X square plus 2xy plus 3y square is equal to, take negative sign common, minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by this expression, that is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. This is our required dy by dx. This is very important 3 mark question, right? Next problem, if sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1, find dy by dx, right? Sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. Sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. It is our given expression. We need to find dy by dx. Directly differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. On differentiation, sin square 2 sin x, or else write one more step. Sin square x can be written as sin x whole square or sin x power 2 cos y power 2. First power differentiation, then inner function. It is like x raised to n. Chain rule, 2 sin x into cos x power differentiation 2 sin x differentiation cos x plus power differentiation 2 times cos y into sin y into y differentiation y dash equal to 0. 2 sin x into cos x, minus it is. Cos y differentiation minus sin y. 2 sin x into cos x means sin 2x. Here negative sign outside, sin 2y, because 2 sin y cos y means sin 2y into y dash equal to 0. Now dy by dx equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2y. This is our required differentiation, right? First directly differentiate with respect to x either by using product rule or by using chain rule, that is depends on given expression. Next problem. Next problem, if sin square y plus cos square xy equal to k, find dy by dx. Sin square y plus cos square xy equal to k, find dy by dx. We can write sin square y as sin y whole square plus cos square xy can be written as cos xy whole square equal to constant. K means any constant. Now differentiate with respect to x. Outermost function, first power differentiation, inner function, next inner function. Sin y power 2 means 2 sin y. First power differentiation, it is like x power n only. It is like chain rule x raised to n form. 2 sin y. After power inner function sin, its derivative cos. After sin inner function y, its differentiation y dash. This is first term differentiation plus again power differentiation 2 cos of xy into cos xy differentiation minus sin xy. After cos inner function xy use product rule. While differentiating xy, use product rule xy dash plus y equal to constant differentiation 0. This is nothing but 2 sin y into cos y means sin 2y into y dash. Take this negative sign outside, minus 2 cos xy sin xy means sin of 2xy in bracket xy dash plus y dash equal to 0. Sin 2y into y dash minus usual multiplication sin of 2xy into y dash x into y dash minus sin of, sorry it is not y dash, minus sin of 2xy into y equal to 0. Among these two terms just take y dash common. Y dash in bracket sin 2y minus x into sin of 2xy is equal to non-dy by dx term send it to RHS. Then it will be y into sin of 2xy. Therefore dy by dx equal to, send it to RHS, y into sin of 2xy whole thing divided by sin 2y minus x into sin of 2xy. This is our required differentiation, right? Lastly, we get y into sin 2xy divided by sin 2y minus x into sin of 2xy. This is our required dy by dx. Next problem, if e power x plus e power y is equal to e power x plus y, prove that dy by dx equal to minus of e power y minus x. If e power x plus e power y is equal to e power x plus y, prove that dy by dx equal to minus of e power y minus x, right? E power x plus e power y is equal to e power x plus y. This is our given expression. Differentiate with respect to x. E power x differentiation e power x only, plus what is e power y differentiation, e power y into y dash into e power exponential differentiation then y differentiation, that's equal to e power x plus y is e power x plus y into, after exponential inner function is x plus y, its derivative 1 plus dy by dx, then e power x plus e power y into y dash, usual multiplication e power x plus y plus e power x plus y into y dash. Collect these two terms one side and these two terms non dy by dx terms other side. E power y into y dash, take this term into left side, minus e power x plus y into y dash equal to e power x plus y minus e power x. Among these two terms take dy by dx common, it will be e power y minus e power x plus y, that's equal to e power x plus y minus e power x. Next, continue here. In the next step, y dash equal to e power x plus y minus e power x divided by this expression, whole thing divided by e power y minus e power x plus y. But our requirement is prove that dy by dx equal to this term. Now what we do is, just replace e power x plus y value from the given data. Next, look at the given expression. Replace e power x plus y value. E power x plus y means e power x plus e power y by using given condition. E power x plus e power y minus e power x divided by e power y as it is minus also as it is. Replace this value. Means again it will be e power x plus e power y. Now usual simplification, e power x minus e power x get cancelled, e power y whole thing divided by, in the denominator e power y minus e power x minus e power y, these two terms will be get cancelled, e power y divided by minus e power x, negative sign outside, e power y divided by e power x, just by using formula a power m divided by a power n is a power m minus n. So y dash equal to negative sign outside e power y minus x. This is our required proof. First differentiate and simplify. At the end you get required answer. With this problem I will stop today's class. Thank you.